Stripe is enjoying his lettuce. Oh, it's lettuce time. Lettuce time. Rorschach. What's going on, Rorschach? Not eating your lettuce yet? Oh, there he goes. Nom nom, Rorschach. Enjoy, buddy. And of course, cliff jumper and helmet. Just nomming away, having a good time. Lettuce time is always the best time, isn't it, guys? Oh, hell yeah. Of course, Mr. Indian Barnes. These two guys. They always make the biggest mess out of their homes. Just don't get these guys. But Indy is one big fellow. It's really hard to believe that Indy down there, Indy at the bottom, is the son, and Barnes at the top is the dad. So hard to believe. He's so much larger.